Anger is the enemy of non-violence, and pride is a monster that swallows it up. Each one of us has to find peace from within, and the peace to be real must be unaffected by outside circumstances. Intolerance is itself a form of violence and an obstacle to the growth of a true democratic spirit. Life's battles do not go with the stronger or the faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Pray earnestly. Pray earnestly. Oh God, thank you. I have what I need. I don't need what I don't have. Give me health, wisdom, and ability to serve humanity. Sun makes the earth and atmosphere hot by its rays because it is the air and the other particles which react to it. It's not the words which hurts us, but it is when we receive them and own. The only sure thing about luck is that it will change. Success is a journey, not a destination. Ensure that you are in the right direction instead of just at right speed. The first step towards solving a problem is to begin. Stop existing, start living. Success has a simple formula. Do your best and people may like it. Best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. A matchstick has a head, but it does not have a brain. Whenever there is a little friction, it flares up immediately and causes destruction. Learn a lesson from it. If you want happiness for a lifetime, learn to love what you do. The tide always comes back. Don't ever accept defeat. Never even think I can't. Instead, say to yourself, the tide always comes back. It will. Smile increases value of face. Anger spoils beauty of soul. So keep smiling. Faith is force of life and confidence is companion of success. Your life is your message to the world. Make sure it is inspiring. Waves are inspiring not because they rise and fall, but because they never fail to rise. Age may wrinkle the face, but lack of enthusiasm wrinkles the soul. Even a fish would not get into trouble if it would keep its mouth shut. Knock the tea of Kant. You can if you think you can. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Believe deep down in your heart that you are destined to do great things. When you feel like giving up, remember why you held on for so long in the first place. Delete everything in your mind that is not moving you forward. You will get there. Don't give up. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning. But anyone can start today and make a new ending. Trust your instincts. Trust your instincts. It is the universe inspiring you. Align your actions with your ambition. The keyword think. You have to visualize it. Your mind is powerful. Don't waste your time thinking what people will think of it. It is their job. If you do that too, what will they do? The ratio between hard work and luck is 70-30. Know what you want. Work for it, and the earth will yield its treasures for you. Don't try to put square pegs into round holes. They never fit. No and yes are short words that needs long thoughts. You can change anything by changing your thoughts. You can change anything by changing your thoughts. Feel gratitude for your life. Have a good luck.